guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a classic YouTube early 2000s, not early 2000s, but yeah, like 2013, 2012 prime video, and that is a what is in my bag slash purse. I haven't done one of these in so long, and I thought that because I got a new bag that I would share what was inside. I have been carrying around this bag for about a month, and this is kind of I feel could be a good video for you to watch in case you are considering purchasing this bag. You can see how much it holds. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so this is kind of nice because I've been meaning to kind of clear out this bag because it's just getting so like full of just stuff that I don't need. So this is the bag that I've been carrying around, and as you can tell, this is a designer bag. This is actually like my very first designer bag. I got it for my birthday, and I'm so grateful that I finally have a designer bag. Like it was a big deal to me. So this is the Gucci Horsebit 1955, I'm pretty sure. I'll have it linked down below, the color and the style that I have. But yeah, I got it about a month ago and I've been wearing it almost every single day. I am obsessed. I just think that the brown with the classic Gucci, like what is this called? This print is just, it goes so well together. They also have this one in like a white, but I opted for the brown because I just think it looks more like classic and timeless. So this is what the front looks like. I'm going to start with this front pocket here because it does have a pocket in here. I don't think I have anything. It does close magnetically, but oh, I have a receipt. This is a receipt from I'm not sure. Oh, this is from a receipt from the grocery store. It's a coupon actually. They like made me do a survey and they gave me a little coupon. So this is for that, but other than that, nothing else is in this pocket. I honestly forget that this pocket's here, but it is here in case you want to put something in there. I love the gold hardware. I'm just like obsessed with gold, clearly. Can you tell? Like wearing a lot of gold jewelry. Like look at that. Anyway, so this is a pocket, and then right behind it in here is also sort of like a pocket, as you can see. So in here, I don't think I have, oh, just kidding. I do have stuff. See, this is what I mean. All right, so I'm just pulling out at random here. I have more receipts of things that I don't even know. I have an IKEA receipt, a Target receipt. I got some CVS receipts, TJ Maxx, and a hair tie. So that is pretty much all that I keep in here. So I mostly use this to keep receipts pretty much. Just because I don't have like a wallet in this, like you'll see what I mean. I don't have a wallet, and normally I throw them in my wallet, so I've just been putting them in here like in the meantime. But this is the bag from the outside, and then it just has one big zipper here, and this is sort of what is in here. Like you can fit a lot of stuff in this bag, which is surprising. It's not a super small bag, but it's also not a very big bag. It's a good daily bag. It's a good going out bag, so that's why I think it's like a perfect size. So inside, of course, it's got like the classic little pink suede that Gucci does. But let's go ahead and get started. So there is a back pocket right here. It's the only pocket that this bag has, and in there I keep my little card holder. This is from YSL. This is from YSL. Yeah, I just have a few cards, my driver's license, all that jazz in here. I love this because it fits in here. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it fits in like a ton of other bags. So this is a great like first designer piece if you're looking to purchase something. I love this a lot. So definitely recommend this. Again, I'll have it linked down below. Okay, and it just fell. But yeah, that's what I have in there. And then I think I have, okay, I have $1. I didn't even know I had $1. I have $1 in there. I have a shot club, like little rewards club, because I buy ginger shots sometimes. What else is in here? I have a quarter, and that is pretty much all that was in that little pocket. So let's get into this big pocket here. So the first thing I have is my phone, and then I have the sunglasses, which I should actually go and put them in their case. But these are the Dime X Bretman Rock sunglasses, and I just think these are so cute. Like, I feel so chic right now. Like, who am I, in a blazer? Like, these glasses, I am just living my best utmost life, and I'm here for it. So these glasses are really cute. So I'll link these below too. They're not super expensive. I think they're like 30 bucks. So great quality, and the glass shape, like the shape of the frames, is just chef's kiss. Anyway, moving right along. I have my keys to my car and my apartment. Obviously, can't go anywhere without that. I have this mirror, which I got it from Marshall's, but it's originally from Impressions Vanity, and it is so dirty. But I love this because it's like slim. It takes up barely any space, and it's massive. It used to light up. It honestly only lit up once, and then it never lit up again after that, even after I replaced the battery, so I don't know what's up with that. But still, I like the mirror because it's big and slim, and it just works for me. Okay, moving along. I got another rewards card for smoothies. I got a lip liner. This is the Italia light brown lip liner. Honestly, one of my favorite lip liners. I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now, which you can't really tell, but love this. It's only $1. So if you can get your hands on that, I recommend. I got some Toy Story little like sticky tabs. I was cleaning out my office the other day, and I just happened to put these in my bag. So yeah, those aren't supposed to be in there, but I have them in case I ever need to, you know, tab up a document. I got a lipstick. This is the Morphe Mega Matte lipstick in Commit. It's just a nude color. I mean, what else do I wear anymore? Like, I just love my nudes. So I got that in there. I got my hand lotion. This is my favorite hand lotion ever. I actually bought this on a whim when I was in Disney World, because when I went, it was so cold. My hands were cracking and just getting so dry from how cold it was, because I just was not used to that. And I needed hand lotion, so I stopped by Sephora and I got this, and I don't ever regret my decision because now I use this almost every day. As you can tell, like, it's almost gone. So I'm gonna need a refill of that when this is all gone. But this is the, I think it's pronounced Caudalie, I don't know, hand and nail cream. But this is what it looks like in case you are curious and maybe you want to, is it gonna focus? And maybe you want to purchase that. I love it. It's not like super thick and super greasy. It's just amazing. And it has like a little, like a light citrusy scent, which I like. All right. I got this, which I think is what came like in here, was this necklace that I'm actually wearing. It's from Amazon. So I kept the little thing in my bag for whatever reason. So I have that. Let's see, I got more lip products at the bottom. I got my Tried and True Mint Lip Balm from Mario Badescu. This stuff is amazing as well. I love it because it's in a squeezy tube, and I just feel like it works really well. It's not going to focus, but there we go. This is what it looks like. It's the mint one. Love that, and I think it's like $8, not super expensive. I got a MAC lipstick in the shade Yash. It's actually what I'm wearing on my lips today. In case you are wondering, I always get asked like what lipstick I'm wearing. So it is Yash by MAC and light brown lip liner from Italia. And then I have a Fenty gloss bomb in the shade Sweet Mouth, which I'm not wearing this, but it's such a pretty shade. I love that color. All right, let's keep it going. I got more sticky tabs, which were stuck to the bottom of my bag, so that's fun. Got another one. This one is Miss Jessie Girl. All right. I have my AirPods, which I actually don't even use. I don't even know why these are in here, to be quite honest. But yeah, my AirPods. I got those in case I ever need to, I don't know, listen to music. I have some trash, some receipts, some gum wrappers, you know, the usual. I got another receipt, lovely, from Nordstrom. Okay. And then I have another hair tie. And the last thing I have down here is just some loose change. So that is pretty much everything that fit in here. I think that that was a lot of stuff. In fact, when I put everything back in, there's still going to be space, which is what I really like about this bag. So if you're considering getting it, I think this is your sign. I love how the outside is sort of like a canvas material. So if you're wearing jeans, it's not gonna like rub off and turn your bag blue, if you know what I mean. Like it does that with more like leather bags. I hate that. So I like that it's canvas, it's easy to clean, and it's just a really sturdy bag. I mean, for the price, you better hope it's sturdy because it's not a cheap bag. But yeah, again, I will have it linked down below, as well as the card holder that I shared a little bit earlier. I will try to link as much as I can down below, like the lipstick I'm wearing, my jewelry, I don't know. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Also, I have 2 Instagrams now. I have a Disney dedicated one. If you love Disney as much as I do, you go ahead and follow that one. And then I also have just like a more personal one where I just post, like, you know, my cat's daily life, whatever. I mean, you can follow both. Feel free to follow both if you want. But yeah, that is it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.